This spindly-looking structure could go a long way to helping us understand how carbon dioxide moves through our communities and could eventually provide clues about how to fight global warming.
The weather variables with the climate gas, which is carbon dioxide, you can start to figure out some of the processes that an urban environment manipulates carbon dioxide.
This sensor sits atop a Harlem elementary school. It's one of 8 placed around New York City by Wade McGillis. The Columbia University engineering professor wants to track how carbon dioxide changes day to day, from neighborhood to neighborhood.
One good example is we can compare our site here in Harlem with our site in Central Park.
His research reflects growing interest in establishing how much of the heat-trapping gas a city, neighborhood, or even building puts into the atmosphere. There's also the question of how much of the gas the urban environment absorbs. Carbon levels in the atmosphere have grown by more than a third in the last 150 years. Meanwhile, Congress is weighing limits on greenhouse gases.
If a neighborhood or a region starts to put policy decisions in place which either decrease or increase their carbon emissions, we can combine that in a network to see if those policies are actually working.
McGillis's research could be used to measure the effectiveness of carbon-fighting solutions, like green roofs, which are becoming more popular in urban environments. Matt Friedman, The Associated Press.